Imagine this: Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX, steps off his private jet onto African soil, only to be utterly shocked by what he discovers in a massive EV car factory. That's the hook that's got everyone talking today. But let's dive right into the details of this incredible story. It all started early this morning when reports surfaced about Elon Musk making an unexpected trip to Africa. Africa, a continent buzzing with innovation and untapped potential in the renewable energy sector. Specifically, he visited a sprawling electric vehicle manufacturing plant that's been making waves quietly in the background. This factory isn't just any ordinary assembly line, it's a behemoth dedicated to producing cutting-edge EVs tailored for the African market. Picture vast halls filled with robotic arms whirring efficiently, workers in high-tech gear assembling batteries and chassis with precision. Elon Musk, known for his relentless pursuit of sustainable transportation, arrived unannounced, or so the initial accounts suggest. As he walked through the entrance, flanked by his security detail and local executives, the air was thick with anticipation. The factory's CEO greeted him with a firm handshake, eager to showcase their operations. Musk, dressed in his signature casual style, a black t-shirt and jeans, nodded politely, his eyes already scanning the surroundings. They began the tour in the battery production wing, where lithium-ion cells were being manufactured at an astonishing rate. These aren't your standard batteries. They're optimized for harsh climates, with enhanced durability against heat and dust common in African regions. Musk paused at one station, asking pointed questions about the sourcing of raw materials. Africa is rich in minerals like cobalt and lithium, and this factory prides itself on ethical mining practices. The guide explained how they partner with local communities to ensure fair labor and environmental sustainability. Musk seemed impressed, but his expression remained neutral, as if he was mentally comparing it to Tesla's gigafactories. Moving on to the assembly line, the scale became apparent. Hundreds of vehicles in various stages of completion lined the floor, from bare frames to fully painted bodies. The factory employs advanced AI for quality control, with cameras and sensors detecting even the slightest imperfections. Elon watched as a robotic arm installed a motor with seamless accuracy. He commented on the efficiency, noting how it rivaled some of the best in the world. But then came the moment that shocked him. In the R&D section, engineers unveiled a prototype EV designed specifically for off-road conditions in rural Africa. This vehicle featured solar panels integrated into the roof, capable of charging the battery on the go. It had modular parts that could be easily repaired with locally available tools, reducing dependency on imported spares. Musk's eyes widened as he inspected the design. "This is revolutionary," he reportedly said, his voice laced with genuine surprise. The factory had developed a battery management system that extended range by 30% in high-temperature environments. Something Tesla has been working on, but this team had cracked it using indigenous innovations. He climbed into the driver's seat of the prototype, feeling the responsive controls. The dashboard displayed real-time data on energy consumption, optimized for erratic power grids. As he drove a short test loop inside the facility, the smoothness and power left him visibly taken aback. Exiting the vehicle, Musk engaged in a deep conversation with the lead engineer, discussing potential collaborations. The shock wasn't just from the technology, it was from realizing how far Africa had come in the EV space without much global spotlight. This factory, funded by a consortium of African investors and international partners, represents a shift in the global automotive landscape. No longer just consumers, African nations are becoming producers of green technology. Musk's visit highlights this transformation, potentially opening doors for investments and partnerships. Sources say he spent over 3 hours touring, far longer than initially planned. He even joined a group of workers for an impromptu Q&A, sharing insights from his own experiences. The atmosphere was electric, pun intended, with employees buzzing about the encounter. Photographs leaked online show Musk smiling broadly next to the prototype. This event could mark a new chapter in Tesla's expansion strategy, perhaps eyeing African markets more seriously. Africa's growing middle class and push for sustainable transport make it a fertile ground for EVs. Challenges like infrastructure and charging stations remain, but innovations like this factories address them head-on. Musk's shock stems from seeing grassroots innovation challenging established giants. It's a reminder that genius isn't confined to Silicon Valley. As the tour wrapped up, Musk promised to stay in touch, hinting at future visits. He boarded his jet, leaving behind an inspired team and a continent poised for EV dominance. This story is unfolding in real time, captivating tech enthusiasts worldwide. What does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? It could accelerate adoption in developing regions, making clean transport accessible to all. Elon Musk's reaction underscores the potential for global collaboration in fighting climate change. Stay tuned as more details emerge from this groundbreaking visit. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's talk about the rumors swirling around this event. You know how the internet loves a good story, especially when it involves someone like Elon Musk. There are whispers that this visit might not be as straightforward as it seems. Some say it could be a publicity stunt, orchestrated to boost Tesla's image in emerging markets. Or perhaps it's genuine, but exaggerated for clicks. Let's explore both sides, because rumors have a way of having kernels of truth, or not. On one hand, it may be entirely true that Musk was shocked by the factory's advancements. Africa has been investing heavily in green tech, with countries like Morocco and South Africa leading the charge. A big EV factory could indeed surprise even a pioneer like Musk. Reports from reliable sources confirm his travel itinerary matched the timing. Eyewitness accounts describe his expressions of awe. This could be a pivotal moment, fostering real partnerships. It may lead to Tesla setting up operations in Africa, creating jobs and tech transfer. The shock aspect might highlight overlooked innovations, bringing attention to African engineers. In this view, it's a positive, authentic story. But on the other hand, it may not be as shocking as portrayed. Skeptics argue the factory might be overhyped, perhaps not as advanced as claimed. Musk is known for dramatic flair, his shock could be performative. Some rumors suggest the visit was pre-planned with media in mind, not spontaneous. Photos could be staged, and quotes fabricated for virality. Africa's EV sector is growing, but is it really at a level to shock Musk? Tesla's gigafactory set the bar high, this might pale in comparison. It may be a rumor started by competitors to stir buzz. Or perhaps it's misinformation, with no visit occurring at all. Flight logs might be misinterpreted, or deepfakes involved in videos. In rumor mills, anything's possible. It could be true in parts, but the shocked element amplified for drama. Musk might have been impressed, but not to the extent reported. This duality keeps the conversation alive. Social media is divided, with some hailing it as a win for Africa, others dismissing it as fake news. Fact-checkers are scrambling to verify details. If it's true, it boosts Africa's image; if not, it highlights how easily stories spread. Rumors like this often evolve, with new, insider info emerging. One whisper says Musk invested on the spot, another claims he left disappointed. Both can't be right, yet both circulate. It may be a marketing ploy for the factory, using Musk's name for publicity. Or it may not, and it's a legitimate milestone. The truth probably lies somewhere in between. As with all rumors, time will tell. For now, it's captivating the world, sparking discussions on global innovation. Whether fact or fiction, it underscores the excitement around EVs in Africa. That's the beauty of such stories, they inspire, even if unverified.